Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Xero for tracking insurance claim expenses, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type xero.com in the address bar. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Select Xero HQ from the drop-down menu. Enter your email address in the designated field. Click on Next. Input your password in the password field. Click on the Login button. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Navigate to the Accounts section on the left sidebar. Click on Expenses. Select New Expense. Fill in the necessary details, including the date and amount. Choose the relevant category for your insurance claim expenses. Attach any receipts or documents by clicking on the Attach Files option. Review all the information entered to ensure accuracy. Click Save to finalize the entry. Return to the dashboard to monitor your expenses as needed. You have now successfully logged in and tracked your insurance claim expenses in Xero. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.